naga Mika.
Right. Already ko something taki ko. Totok. Your face is look beautiful.
Iya, kona kayak gitu na.
Iyo.
Kona waya.
Right.
Ayo.
Please move closer
Okay.
to mo.
Wawa. Nama ka.
Yeah.
Nama ka na vital lo ni waya nanto na ngona leka.
Oy, na water therapy.
Right, water
Alright.
therapy. Nama ka.
Hold on.
Na Ouch Palangi and VTFM K0 Bites, quality product from Punja's Biscuits.
Raka, very good morning to you all. Thank you so much for
Yes, sir.
listening in this morning.
Right,
another day.
Yeah.
Midweek,
Right.
Wednesday today, 18th of December.
Midweds.
So fast.
Midweds.
Nonton na borta kaya na Ouch Palangi show. Ano
Right.
na to you all.
Right.
They came in borong buli may na koro.
Yeah.
They came in na borong sumay na be tulingon di sala.
Right.
All the drivers out there, passengers.
Okay.
Minivan, taxi, in the bus.
Yeah.
Right.
Some we say good morning.
Yeah.
Some we say good night because they are sleeping.
All right.
They
Don't move
knock off from work.
Right.
Yeah.
Must be listening from the room.
Yeah.
They
It's in the
about
room.
about to sleep.
Good.
We say good night. Oh,
Even though it's morning time,
Yeah.
We say good night because they
they off the light.
Right.
The curtain down.
Right.
The room dark.
yeah.
Yeah, dina.
Yeah, because they've been like whole of last night.
Yeah.
Irian tu.
What did it to matan, right?
Right.
Yeah, boy, kibin na lubi bitu pada besi berburai. Ni anda mata bedakan kono tangon talangan di binen baki.
Right.
Na buku ni Ouch Palangi show ya na matagri ko.
Hey, we came down to you know that the water therapy.
Hey,
Oi.
Mika, please tell us about the water therapy.
Yes.
It's like some people say when you drink grog too much, you use this
Iyo.
Yes.
to
One
cleanse.
karinganga.
Yeah, one karinganga.
Iyo.
To cleanse your passage, the pathway
Iyo.
inside. Eh?
Esophagus.
Esophagus
Yeah.
and intestine, so that you can live healthy life. No.
Iyo.
This is the water therapy. You try this one.
Iyo.
1 cup water,
1 cup
Right.
water.
hot water,
Iyo.
Full cup.
a full cup seranga.
Oh,
Iyo.
Put it in one jug
Iyo.
and 2 cups, the same cup
Iyo.
Oi.
of
Soil.
Soil. Like a pot plant.
Apa tatal?
Oh, sabang guna transplant. And 2 cup of normal water, the water from the tap.
Right. Normal water.
1 boil water,
Iyo.
2
Eh.
normal water.
Right.
Put it in one
Jug. Right.
and then you drink it. You can feel it.
Iyo.
You will feel the difference.
Iyo.
After a few days, you will
Feel better.
Yeah, you will feel better.
Oi.
I've been using that for more than 1 week now.
Oi.
Yeah, try.
Okay,
man.
yeah, Mika, tell how do you feel? How do you feel when you
Oh, I like every night I want to drink.
Feel energized. Yeah.
Energize.
Iyo.
It boosts your energy.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah, boost your immune system.
Yeah. What
I
na?
also tried the therapy, water therapy.
What are the
Oi. Bosa ko, Mr. Right.
Yeah, Mr. Right.
Iyo.
I use this cup here.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Such
I tried the, no, the thing come out, the mucus.
Iyo.
The thing
You
come out.
plenty mucus.
Okay, abi kami na kadaro mata na bulay ngunung chigo ng ngono go.
Doon na ka.
Lebsi ng ngunang gona.
Right.
Kaya kono numo mo nakari na mo chilo na bugun ni was down.
Right.
Tapos mata na water therapy.
Right.
Na yang gona nga,
Iyo.
may sabat si ko tala na way.
Doon mo kami nakasanga.
Ano tutugo kita na mata kadi ko.
We say good morning to
Iyo.
this gang from the people listening in Raki.
Oi.
In Namoy Manda village in Raki.
Ano ba naka?
Dedicate the song to Simeone and Sayrushi. They tabu teke tabioka.
Iyo.
Wow.
Oh, baru talaga ni ko.
Yeah, join action and rumah and Ramanaka Matakali. Thank you so
Morning,
much
good
for tuning in
Iyo.
this morning. My nitaka place.
Iyo.
Oh, emang gara tabi ni
Yeah.
marama tau tobata.
Iyo.
This one tau and tobata.
Oi.
Yeah, because she's also from Rewa.
Oi,
Yeah,
okay.
Mita Signa.
Them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's also
The mga goddams. Who's?
she's from Rewa.
Iyo.
Brought up in what?
Tabi uni.
Tabi uni.
Oh, ano ba na? Kaya na mata kadi
That's
ko.
why
Si.
na kola said tobata tau.
Wala now.
Yeah.
Catch tu ya.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
right.
look at this. What's this?
And that's
Sum-sum.
Sum-sum, eh?
Ya benar kami na kada sama suka mana betul mo ni sala
Right.
jam suka mana mata ko na yang ngone tal no nga me boleh certo turangan ita.
Doon mo
Mana tabi ditanya na buku ni melistima se
Iya.
na wang risara panua.
Right.
Nordo sara sara ni kami do mata tu weekend na bikor.
Doon mo
Men da daw
Bulbul teki.
Iya, siya ni da daw tabali.
Manduala ka?
Dan daw yun, tamen dan daw hindi.
Right.
Nir daw ngala may napapalangi.
Right.
Nir daw taruin kaya napapalangi.
Doon mo-
Ira understand ka tu na napatya.
Iyo.
Eh?
Ira kilata ira.
Kaya kada accent siya ba?
Iya.
Understand tak. Ba't ni Sinon taposa.
Iyo.
Sinto tuntala men taman tualaka.
Right.
Nakangasar ni buka manung usumi ko rebaka sama taka. Seperti dotan men taposa.
Right.
So mana kan orang posisi kan orang apa lagi
Iya.
saya salah cunga.
Entor mo benak.
Iya.
Entor mo benak. Okay. Please. Who will tell the story?
The storyteller.
Huh?
Storyteller, please.
Oh,
Storyteller.
that one.
Iya.
Oh, the triangle, eh?
Iya.
That one from Rabuni.
Iya.
One island in Kantau.
Right.
Okay.
They one morning.
Iya.
The Turanikor.
Iyo.
That one. Oh, this is Trankor. That one went around the village.
Iya.
Tell those people, hey.
Yeah.
This afternoon, those gang tourists
Yeah.
will come.
Yeah.
The big
One
boat.
Melistima will be here.
Melistima will be here.
Yeah. Right.
So be ready.
Be ready.
Prepare everything you want to sell.
Yeah.
You can prepare everything if you want to sell.
Right,
Because
right.
they will come, overseas.
Iya tina.
They bring big money.
Yeah.
You can earn some money there.
Right.
So this one, this fella, it's like he's famous fella in that village.
Yeah.
Oi.
Rabuni.
Yeah.
He likes to go fishing.
Right.
Right.
Every time you want to go fish, he always got a big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, even some men there,
Yeah.
they buy the fish from the fella because they can.
Oh,
fish
kenan
those
daw
kind
ka.
of- That
Yeah.
one like professional.
It's the joke of the fisher.
Joke of the fisher.
Yeah.
And one time,
Iyo.
that afternoon,
Yeah.
the
Melistima.
Melistima
Yeah.
in the sea.
Yeah.
And
Nun
that
tiwai.
one- yeah, nun tiwai. And that one, all the people preparing it,
Yeah.
all the thing in front of the beach,
Yeah.
all the
Satu ba kan
yeah.
daga nilinga.
They put all
Art and
the
craft
net,
culture.
the
Yeah.
oil, everything.
Yeah.
And
What?
this
Baby oil?
one-
Diesel.
Yeah, this diesel. And this one, the triangle.
Yeah.
He prepare all the different kind of fish.
Right, no nang
Yeah.
ko.
No, this one want to be famous.
Yeah.
This
Oi.
one said, yeah, you prepare all that. Myself prepare all the fish.
Right.
Different kind of fish.
Yeah.
Prepare
Colorful.
Colorful.
Yeah.
Put this one here, put this fish here, this one, this one.
Gire kan barabi.
Yeah.
Gaba kan dua.
But the only problem,
Yeah.
he doesn't know how to. He doesn't know the English name of the fish. Yeah?
Iya,
Oi.
iya, Cesar, iya.
He doesn't know the English name of the fish.
Right.
Iya.
So when the tourists come,
Iya.
you know,
Let's start from one end.
they start from one end.
Yeah.
And they start from one end. Those gang was explaining the
Bola,
name
bola
of the fish.
binaka.
Oh.
Burung bola binaka, burung.
Yeah. Morning. They
Yeah.
got all the gallon.
Iya.
Salu,
Pai, correct.
Sing the song.
Sing the song.
Yeah.
And the tourists, you know, they're
Asking
happy.
question.
Yeah, they're happy.
Yeah.
And they want to know the name of all those things they're selling.
Yeah.
And they start
Adrenaline.
from one side.
Iya.
Yeah, all those women standing there.
Yeah.
And this.
This is the sasa.
Yeah.
This is the sasa. This is the oil.
Uh,
and the,
Sasa is forward. Oh, you see the beach?
Yeah.
It's clean. We use this one.
It's the
Yeah.
fish and vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
right.
And there's one tourist there. One man.
Old man.
That felt like pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's like get angry easily.
Yeah.
You always want to. Everything should be fast.
Yeah.
If not,
Everything should first game.
Yeah. And every time they're explaining the marama, all those girls, they're explaining fast.
Yeah.
And this triangle is standing one corner.
Yeah.
He was hearing their explanation.
Yeah.
And was like afraid.
Yeah.
Oh, this one gonna come here.
Ramdam no tukuna.
Yeah. Myself, what will I tell this tourist?
How can
Yeah.
I explain the
Yeah.
fish?
How can I explain the fish?
Yeah.
And I have to explain in English.
Just saying all suck.
Well, suck. So that one explaining all of them, woman explaining name of the thing.
Yeah.
And after that, they come to the triangle. The name of that one person, triangle.
Yeah.
Triangle.
Yeah.
Woi,
Yeah.
turang ningoli.
Yeah.
Turang ningoli
But
ada
as soon
turang
as
naik.
they shake hand with the tourist,
Yeah.
the tourist said, "What's your name?"
Yeah.
And this one want to say the English name of the triangle.
Yeah.
And he said, "Triangle."
Oi.
Oi.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yeah.
See my triangle.
Triangle.
Yeah.
That one say, ask, hey. Myself, John.
Yeah.
Is triangle. Oh, triangle.
What do you
myself,
do? I go. This is what I
What
do.
do you
I
do?
fish. Yeah.
This triangle said. This is what I'm famous for in this village.
Ah, na
Yeah.
I'm the fish.
I'm the fisherman.
Yeah.
Oi.
I sell this kind of fish. This is my small one.
Yeah.
The big one they already eat.
Yeah.
Wandu.
But you lucky you come here.
Yeah.
At least I show you some fish.
Right.
And this tourist was very happy.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
triangle, good.
Yeah.
How can you tell me the name of this fish?
What bingo?
Oh, the tourist
Oh yeah.
is pointing at one soki.
Yeah.
Sok.
Oppressor.
Yeah, pressure.
Yeah.
That fella get angry.
Yeah.
Okay, triangle, tell me what fish this is.
Yeah.
Is pointing at the
Di
sok.
kilabi nakatungaw ko ni turang di
Iyo.
bala. Kilabi nakatu.
But
Nakita nga.
Iyo.
Yeah.
He doesn't, and he want to ask the triangle. I thought
Yeah.
different name in Fiji.
Yeah, right.
I thought the triangle said, "Oh, that's the sok."
Oi.
Yeah, the sok. And he said the English name is sok.
Right.
Oh, thought, oh, good.
Yeah.
And there's one fish like that.
Yeah.
That fish, the mouth is too big.
Yeah.
The big mouth one, the fish.
Yeah.
The sum one.
Yeah.
And the triangle, the tourist, the angry fella,
John.
the pressure, John.
Yeah.
Fella asking the triangle, okay, triangle, look at me, tell me what fish this is.
Yeah.
And he's pointing at the
Sumu. Yeah.
You know that fish is still like half alive.
Yeah.
Half alive, and the thing still not dead.
Yeah.
Like that.
Symbological.
Symbological.
Yeah.
That triangle like afraid.
Yeah.
If that John touch that mouth of the fish,
Yeah, ni bocilem.
it's gonna bite him and he's gonna get in trouble.
Yeah.
And he was like very afraid.
Yeah.
Okay, the John, the angry
Oh, it's just gonna come.
Ayo. The first fellow was looking at that one.
Yeah.
Okay, Triangle, tell me, Triangle, please tell me.
Yeah.
I want to tell my daughter, my son, they're waiting in the ship.
Yeah.
I want to tell me, what's the name of this fish here? What's the name of this fish?
Follow, took the
Triangle,
picture,
yeah.
took the photo.
Triangle, like, scratching his head, scratching the back,
Yeah.
and looking like this, looking at some woman,
Yeah.
and signaling them. What's the name? And the tourist, hey, don't look there. Look at me, Triangle. Tell me what fish is this? What fish is this?
Yeah.
And that
Dia
time,
lingana. Sa bola sa tsena ngusun sum.
yeah, it's near to the fish, sumu mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me, Triangle, what fish is this?
Why
What
am
fish
I
is
building
this?
a ngayon?
Triangle again, scratching his head like this. And after that tourist John, the angry fella,
Yeah.
is touching the mouth of the fish.
What's wrong with
Hey,
you,
tell
Triangle?
me, Triangle, tell me what fish is this? And he touched the mouth. Same time, Triangle, afraid.
Sum.
Yeah. And he said, hey, what's out? That's the dog.
Hey, what's up? That's the one?
That's the dog.
I love the dog.
Aquela será kata gua.
Yeah. Kayaknya ngeleng ko.
Na vale sar chico vai no taka bra ni kwa ya o sarga da de sumu mai kandavo va balangi sai kwa na dog. Alla ka taka sarra otro ni ngoli. Dala ngai taro ona wa kanta to ya na gusuri sum.
Iya.
Dala ngai kecha.
Yeah.
Gila turu kan?
Me kecil serah ni sa. Tunggu.
Watch out.
Singgila tapi tunggu ini.
Na vale sar dona mo likes dona mo share. Siya taka ng page kalau ano mer saraban mo friends ni talanoa. May korda may kato.
Rabun.
May rabun ni na multa ni
Orang
maraman
mana
ita.
pun tu warna butukin oke dana kevich.
Right,
Dana
dana.
tuke. Sora kabaya tu lagu may vin nonton baka sama. Baka pun tal tu 6 bulan teman-teman dia vin dan berapa gitu.
Do no na kasar.
Iba le kan nanti nanturan di palingnya.
Dona mo likes dona mo share vida vale sar Punches 0 bites quality product of Punches biscuits.
Yeah.
And a book ni bito ko. Ne o mi kan galambula.
Kurumun tu ko.
There was something taki.
Mode